Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we have another listening lesson for beginners. This lesson is about a daily conversation. It is a conversation at the supermarket. Shopping is something we all do. We go to the supermarket to buy food. We go to buy drinks. We go to buy things for our home. This is a very common situation. You might need to speak English at the supermarket one day. This lesson will help you prepare. Let me introduce the people in our conversation. There are two people. The first person is David. David is a customer. He is shopping for food. He has a list. He knows what he needs. The second person is Maria. Maria works at the supermarket. She is a cashier. She is friendly and helpful. She helps customers pay for their items. The conversation takes place in a supermarket. The supermarket is big. There are many aisles. There are many products. There are fruits and vegetables. There is bread and milk. There is meat and cheese. There are many things to buy. The supermarket is busy. There are many customers. Everyone is shopping. Let us listen to the conversation. The conversation. David enters the supermarket. He takes a shopping cart. He walks to the first aisle. He looks at his shopping list. He starts shopping. He goes to the fruit and vegetable section. He sees many fruits. He sees apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. He chooses some apples. He puts them in a bag. He chooses some bananas. He puts them in the cart. Then, he goes to the bread section. He sees many types of bread. He sees white bread. He sees brown bread. He sees whole wheat bread. He chooses a loaf of whole wheat bread. He puts it in the cart. Next, he goes to the dairy section. He sees milk, cheese, and yogurt. He needs milk. He takes 2 cartons of milk. He puts them in the cart. He also needs cheese. He takes a block of cheddar cheese. He puts it in the cart. Then, he goes to the meat section. He sees chicken, beef, and fish. He wants chicken for dinner. He takes a package of chicken breasts. He puts it in the cart. He also wants some fish. He takes a piece of salmon. He puts it in the cart. He walks to the drinks section. He sees water, juice, and soda. He needs water. He takes 2 bottles of water. He puts them in the cart. He also wants some orange juice. He takes a carton of orange juice. He puts it in the cart. Now, David has everything on his list. He walks to the checkout. He sees Maria. Maria is the cashier. She is smiling. She is ready to help. Maria, hello there. How are you today? David, hello. I am doing well. Thank you. How are you? Maria, I am great. Thanks for asking. Did you find everything you were looking for? David, yes, I did. I found everything on my list. It was a good shopping trip. Maria, that is wonderful. Let me help you check out. Please put your items on the counter. David takes his items out of the cart. He puts them on the counter. Maria starts scanning the items. She scans each item with a machine. The machine beeps each time. Maria, let me start with your fruits and vegetables. Apples and bananas. Very healthy choices. David, yes, I try to eat healthy. I eat fruits every day. They are good for you. Maria, that is very good. Everyone should eat more fruits and vegetables. Now, let me scan the bread. Whole wheat bread. Good choice. It is healthier than white bread. David, yes, I prefer whole wheat. It has more fiber. Maria, exactly. Fiber is very important. Now, I see you have milk and cheese. Do you drink milk every day? David, yes, I do. I have milk with my breakfast. And I put cheese in my sandwiches. Maria, that is nice. Milk is good for your bones. It has calcium. Cheese is also good for your bones. David, I did not know that. That is good to know. Maria, now, I see you have chicken and salmon. Are you planning a special dinner? David, yes. Tonight, I am cooking dinner for my family. I will make grilled chicken and salmon. My family loves fish. Maria, that sounds delicious. Your family is lucky. They have a good cook. David, thank you. I enjoy cooking. It is relaxing for me. Maria, that is great. Cooking can be very relaxing. Now, let me scan the water and juice. 2 bottles of water. 1 carton of orange juice. Do you drink a lot of water? David, Yes, I try to drink 8 glasses of water every day. It is important to stay hydrated. Maria, yes, it is very important. Water is good for your skin. It is good for your health. Maria finishes scanning all the items. She looks at the screen. She tells David the total. Maria, your total is $45.50. David, okay, that is fine. I will pay with my card. Maria, great. You can use the card machine here. Just insert your card. Then, enter your PIN. Then, press the green button. David, thank you. Let me do that. David uses the card machine. He inserts his card. He enters his PIN. He presses the green button. The machine beeps. It says approved. Maria, perfect. Your payment is approved. Here is your receipt. Do you need a bag for your items? David, yes, please. I would like 2 bags. Maria, of course. Let me put your items in the bags for you. Maria puts all the items in the bags. She gives the bags to David. Maria, here you are. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your dinner tonight. David, thank you so much. You have been very helpful. Have a great day too. Maria, you are welcome. Goodbye. David, goodbye. David takes his bags. He walks to the exit. He leaves the supermarket. He is happy. He has all the food he needs. He is ready to cook dinner for his family. Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let us look at some important words and phrases from the conversation. We will learn their meanings. We will learn how to use them. Shopping cart. This is the metal cart you push in the supermarket. You put your items in it. You walk with it through the aisles. It makes shopping easier. Aisle. This is the passage between shelves in a supermarket. Each aisle has different products. One aisle has bread. Another aisle has drinks. Another aisle has fruits and vegetables. Checkout. This is the place where you pay for your items. You go to the checkout at the end of your shopping trip. The cashier is at the checkout. Cashier. This is the person who takes your money. They scan your items. They tell you the total. They take your payment. They give you your receipt. Scan. This is what the cashier does with each item. They use a machine. The machine reads the barcode. The price appears on the screen. The machine beeps. Barcode. This is the black and white lines on the product. The machine reads the barcode. It tells the price of the item. Receipt. This is the piece of paper the cashier gives you. It shows all the items you bought. It shows the prices. It shows the total. It shows the payment method. Total. This is the final amount of money you must pay. It is the sum of all the items. The cashier tells you the total. You pay the total. Card machine. This is the machine you use to pay with your card. You insert your card. You enter your PIN. You press the green button. The machine approves your payment. Healthy. This means good for your body. Fruits are healthy. Vegetables are healthy. Water is healthy. Healthy food gives you energy. Healthy food helps you grow strong. Hydrated. This means having enough water in your body. You drink water to stay hydrated. Being hydrated is important for your health. Phrases to remember. Here are some useful phrases from the conversation. You can use them in your own life. Did you find everything you were looking for? This is a question the cashier might ask you. It means, did you get all the items you wanted? You can answer, yes, I did, or no, I could not find. Put your items on the counter. This is what the cashier says. The counter is the flat surface where you put your items. You take your items out of the cart. You put them on the counter. Very healthy choices. This is a compliment. The cashier says this when you buy healthy food. It means you made good decisions. That sounds delicious. This is what you say when someone describes good food. You say this to show that you think the food will be tasty. Your total is. This is what the cashier says. It tells you the final amount you must pay. For example, your total is $45.50. I will pay with my card. This tells the cashier how you will pay. You can also say, I will pay with cash, or I will pay with my phone. Here is your receipt. The cashier gives you your receipt after you pay. The receipt shows all your items and the total. Do you need a bag for your items? This is a question the cashier asks. You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you. I have my own bag. Have a wonderful day. This is a friendly goodbye. The cashier says this to be polite. You can say this to others too. You have been very helpful. This is a way to thank someone. You say this when someone helps you. It shows appreciation. Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask some questions. Try to answer them. Use the vocabulary we learned today. Question 1. What did David buy at the supermarket? Think about it. David bought apples, bananas, whole wheat bread, milk, cheese, chicken, salmon, water, and orange juice. He bought many things. Question 2. Why did David buy chicken and salmon? David bought chicken and salmon for dinner. He was cooking for his family. He wanted to make a special dinner. Question 3. What did Maria say about healthy food? Maria said that fruits and vegetables are healthy. She said whole wheat bread is healthier than white bread. She said milk is good for your bones. She said water is important for staying hydrated. Question 4. How did David pay for his items? David paid with his card. He inserted his card into the card machine. He entered his PIN. He pressed the green button. The machine approved his payment. Question 5. What is a receipt? A receipt is a piece of paper that shows all the items you bought. It shows the prices and the total. The cashier gives it to you after you pay. Question 6. What does the cashier ask David about bags? The cashier asks, do you need a bag for your items? David says, yes, please. I would like 2 bags. Summary. Today, we listened to a conversation at the supermarket. We met David and Maria. We heard how they talked. We learned new vocabulary. We learned useful phrases. Going to the supermarket is something we all do. It is a common daily activity. When you are in an English-speaking country, you will need to shop. You will need to talk to cashiers. You will need to ask questions. This lesson helps you prepare. You can use the phrases we learned. You can ask for help. You can ask for prices. You can ask for bags. You can pay with card or cash. You can be polite. You can be confident. Practice this conversation at home. Practice with a friend. Practice alone. The more you practice, the better you will be. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. We hope this lesson was helpful. We hope you learned something new. We hope you feel more prepared for a trip to the supermarket. Thank you for listening to English Listening for Beginners on our channel, Elevate English. We will have more conversations in the future. We will cover more situations. We will help you in your English journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck. Happy shopping.